very good evening to the listeners. I am Palak Chhabla presenting you guys my first podcast. Here I would be talking about some interesting facts that revolved around instrumental band back in time. Agni, one of the India's most popular and independent band, was the first major act in country to release free music online and is now into film music direction. The name Agni is itself a band and that has gone viral in no time. Famous Agni singer Mohan Kannan, along with Coco, received ample awards for their exclusive talent. Agni's first ever track was created by Mohan Kannan and other singers and directors. Did you know the first track was created became the theme of MTV's Splitsvilla? I can't imagine Splitsvilla theme song came from a very famous band back in time, 2007. Agni was introduced in 2007 and Splitsvilla Four Seasons was also introduced in 2007. So basically it was a clash. Now the fun fact, Agni had literally nothing to do with MTV Splitsvilla. Still, the first track became the theme song of Splitsvilla, Season 1. When the team decided to make the singles, they did not have any lyrics. Just imagine a famous band, first ever independent band in India, did not have any lyrics. Another fun fact for you guys. The team decided to make the track and let the audience make lyrics for it. For example, I am having the music, the instruments for the track, and I have the copyright to make lyrics for it. This is how Agni band produced its first track, and this is how Mohan Kannan wanted the band to produce its rest of the tracks. How fun it is. Literally. After the release, it went viral. After the release of that single, the Agni team realized they're gonna be a tough time for the promotions. Back in time, CDs don't sell, so labels don't invest money in you. TV channels don't play non-Bollywood songs, and neither do radio networks. So there is no point in releasing a video or giving it to the radio. Basically, radio and audio did not support Agni. Fun fact was, Agni did not even ask for their support. So how exactly did they grow? And finally, the internet is too vast a medium to drive traffic to listen to your song or watch your video. The most unique part of this band was that the team did not have any genre for this music. They did not choose a single path for the music. They did not decide that this will be the genre of their music. They went to pop, they went to jazz, they went to indie, they went to classic, they went to western, they went to bohemian, and they went to many other genres. In one of the interviews with MTV channel, Mohan Kannan said that we make music where the music takes us. There is nothing more beautiful than going with the flow of music and making one for ourselves. In another interview, Mohan mentioned that team loved working with Shankar Ehsaan Loy. Shankar Ehsaan Loy, the guru of music, the guru of music industries. Songs like Chandniya from Two States, Ek Nadi from Mirzya, and Wahi Hai Raaste was one of the best track made by the team. With a different perspective of song these days, I personally think independent music is definitely coming back, and it's gonna be more to do with platforms that are available. The only difference that we saw in 90s was that there was a dearth of platform to release independent music and to get it to the audience. I personally feel that what if music and musicians start getting popular only for their art and craft and not because this song was picturized on a movie star. In today's era, nepotism has taken over the talent from the industry. Agni, being the first ever independent band in India, became famous for its single, where there were no lyrics, just the music, and see how the whole industry, whole music industry revolved around Agni, the famous music it gave to blockbuster films back in those times. I just wish to hear from this band once again. So now we apparently take a leave from now. We are going to come back for another episode super soon for you guys to tell you some more interesting facts for industrial bands from the industry where these bands evolved. So stay tuned for another episode.